The general elections are less than 2 months away, and both candidates vying for Secretary of State want to reinstate the ballot initiative process in Mississippi. 12 News senior political correspondent Richard Lake has more on why both candidates want to restore the right to Mississippians.
2 years since the Mississippi Supreme Court struck down the ballot initiative process. Ever since then, lawmakers and now candidates for statewide office on both sides of the aisle have been in favor of restoring the process.
When we saw the court strike it, we immediately came and said, look, we want to make sure that we restore this properly for the Mississippians that want to have their voices heard.
Everyday Mississippians shouldn't have to sit back and wait years to get that fundamental right back.
The most recent attempt to revive the initiative process prohibited any initiatives that would restore abortion rights from being put on the ballot.
Having the access to the ballot is the most fundamental right that we have. And when voters can't put issues that are important to them directly on the ballot, you cut that off.
Secretary Watson believes there should be some discretion when it comes to what should be considered for constitutional amendments.
I think you got to be really careful with that. What do you put into the Constitution as opposed to what should be in statute? So that's a hard one to really define.
A ballot initiative can only be revived through the passage of a bill that is then signed by the governor. The main hurdle for lawmakers? Signatures. In last year's attempt to revive the ballot initiative, the House version of the bill required 106,000 signatures from registered Mississippi voters needed to place an issue on the ballot. The Senate version required more than double, with at least 240,000 signatures required. Reporting in Jackson, Richard Lake, 12 News.